insane. It's wild. So we're not running Pro 1 this year. We want to build a team and come out strong for 2020. The guys worked through the night to get the car on the dyno. We dynoed at 12. We did one pull to make sure that it was safe. Made 502 horsepower, which is exactly what we wanted. A little bit, I mean, we could use about 100 horsepower more, but we wanted it to be safe, and that's exactly what we wanted, in that safe area. And I just can't thank Evan and Jeff enough, man. So last week when all my buddies were down at Long Beach competing, I had a pretty wild incident where my truck actually caught on fire. And my trunk lid from the race car was in the truck. And so we're putting it back on the race car, just as a kind of a memory of what can happen, and always just to be as careful as possible. Was this on fire? Was this previously on fire? No.
Got it out.
Got what out?
That piece of wire in my shirt. You can't go straight. You gotta go that way, guy. Adios.
So going into Friday at Motegi Super Drift, it was interesting because the car was set up for 500 horsepower, and it's a lot lower horsepower than we've ever driven this car. So we talked to Bartosz Stolarski from Toma Racing in Poland, and he actually gave us a few different maps. So we were able to try a couple different things in the 3-4 practice runs that we had, and we found a power level that was a little bit more adequate to that track setup. And honestly, driving the car on a competition course for the first time in 6 months, it was a little bit unnerving to be throwing it towards walls. So I took it step by step, and I made sure that I wasn't risking all the hard work that the team had put in. And because of the few number of cars that were in the competition, we also clinched third because of our random qualifying spot. Honestly, it was a bit of luck to get that third place on the podium. It's a lot of fun, but it's really a testament to being there and getting the car there with a small team, but a very dedicated team. Come here, guys. Come here. I'll throw it. A little tight. This is cool. Thank you, guys. Oh, that was really ridiculous. A bit of a participation trophy, but we'll take it after so many years of hard work. It's a participation trophy, but the team deserves it. And thank you to everybody for supporting us. Day 2 of Motegi Super Drift. Yesterday was amazing. The team did phenomenal to get the car here and got it working. We didn't get very many laps in, but we did clinch third. There were a lot of luck and just a lot of hard work, to be honest. It's cool after not having driven 6 months. It's nice to just get comfortable with the car, or try to get comfortable with the car at least. Today, it's another round. Motegi Super Drift runs over 2 days, so it's an 8-person competition on both days. And really, it's just a show for the IndyCar fans. it's just they're screaming at you from the stands, and so it's wild to just kind of see them engage with the car in the pits, but also engage with the car on track. So hopefully we can put on another great show for them today.
Next entire BMW 2JZ under the hood. It is Faruk Kugay.
No, that was a lot of fun. Hey. Yeah, this guy right behind the camera. Boom!
I know, dude. Let's go watch. Hey, let's go watch. Yeah.